Sensema yetu serikali ya Murai Bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nigo wana esoke kaunti ya Kisii nigo ba muburi wena ajiwe esoke na guchikurwanire kiro ekyo ky'oburai bwe kaunti ya Kisii mwaka ogocha kirisi obure nigo bona atangasire bene buna nigo guchikuriye kiro ekyo asenjera ya bene
biyamona sana yonda idota banga abantu abanga se kaunti ya Kisii babere bakungakira Kisii abandi babere bagocha kondora bakumburia ikinene kuriye kirokyo ubugabana we county ya Kisii asikore cyo kigo cyo mwaka gocha abandi babo bakiri Nairobi ni delegation semenyete kucha kumburi mbe ikinene kuriye kikore cyo ubugabana we county ya Kisii chibiki nkege cyahitire abantu babubasi constituency asina kabiri mu cyumbe naburumba ndangeria tukomera na angena kigatiaria ruba Cambodia yubata gitembe itinene kiruku gavana bwa Kisii wono rero nachaga tuomire nene n'abachumbe barayawa batinde sekta hawa cyo ichumi kubesema ya kitutu chache south na kitutu chache north na barabo bamboria mbaroche kubani kwa bonkororo bambori ntirende kuriye kiro cy'ubugabana wono asengenje iyo na muboria ndayo abera gocha samatuka etire na itabire atebire yes mwaka ugocha nimbe yo mu bari bakurwanira ikirucyo ubugabana se county ya Kisii negendere abantu baminto conference just ya Kisii bangi baba tumanya ini abantu tutamanya ini bonsi mbambwatisi ekaronkuriye kirobeki indiro kwegena nga yentaba abantu bagusiba batagite umuntu obeiro umuntu ubwate a record imanyekanite record yakorekana bintu kyakorire se abantu baitu bagusiba ninyegene tenga singe kirabere suburai tubwatira ni twakorire bintu bingi asibusiga iga ibinde
Hunyore bina no iniga sogiro chikuri kiro kyo gafana hunyore na nande niga algetie kiro kyo mwaka oli bwejiru bibere na mero mwaka bwejiru bibere na 17 hasabete na mbaibere asoko nyoya chikura heri chiru emia yemo na 10 emia yemo ne 50 na inye igo niga beto yokabere asekiro ase kurwanire kiro kyo gafana chikura chierete nande bono bwesokiri nekerate biruna na abantu ba musugumire nagoteabo na chikobori ekiro ekyo kero tugusuka bosinigo wana babunge abo bali ababwatani baime bomokonyi b'umurai Bwense William Ruto nigo bamochiri ebiri eyerigetie gochikukwanira ritiko lya mambia ase bungenene ase bano bateruna bantu gosaba Kenya tibaye turi bagali nene lyokuru ebirengere byabo ekikirire buna libera nene likwenekiwa ime yebunga ase bano bateruna ritiko lya mambia bago chigwanja gosemba gochigwakera chikura ebiri eyo
an opportunity. The procedure of legislation has different stages. You first publish the bill, first reading, then calling for public participation is put on the newspapers, then the committee does public participation. So they were there. Now, the bill is at the tail end, at the committee of the whole House. So it is between members of amendment for tidiness, for neatness. So even the presence of those people, in our opinion, was out of place, was out of order. The chairman can rule the way he wants. So as we stick to the reading of Standing Order 131.
Why we are opposed to the presence of the stakeholders is because, as the leader of majority has clearly stated, it was an attempt to sanitize the lack of public participation. And indeed, it is true, Parliament did advertise. Members of the public did send memoranda. The memoranda were never considered by the committee. It is on record. If you go to the records of the Hansard proceedings of last week's sitting,
Ekero mirobero ya bene da kubye kurichukana kibona umurobero wose umusangano urobero cyokorekana se county ya Kakamega imeyege tiya bokungungo ikeranire nigo bono umo senator bwe county yo ya Kakamega Cleophas Malala haika na kulike statement maega yo komajugwa unaniga kwana chingwana chijigwana chuguturani monembe na ekero amachuguna nigo arengete chuguturani umusangano yo kageru jukerenwa no morai bwe kyama kya ODM Raila Amolo Odinga nigo mo senator Malala anyara kago samoni go siga kurangirwa ne kyombe kia National Cohesion and Integration Commission asiba momochia asukwana chingwana chira turubani omoremba sense yetu ya Kenya konende asiritukira leo niga aliki statement boigo niga bamenyi benseme ya Kakamega bakurabona barai ao patebiruna umusangano nigo jokorekana una orobereirie.
Mambo kwamba kuna watu walikuwa hapa wakikanusha maneno ile mkubwa wetu alisema Papa Tuoli na maneno ya Raila kukuja hapa stadium. Hilo kitu nataka kusema ni kwamba kwanza nakaribisha watu wote Lurambi, mimi kama chairman ya ODM na wakaribisha stadium Buhungu Stadium na nawahakikishia kwamba usalama itakuwa kabisa. Zote ziko mahali hapa. Hakuna mtu akona ruhusa ya kutishia mwingine kusema kama unataka kufanya mkutano enda ufanyie Siaya ama enda ufanyie Lugari ama enda ufanyie wapi. Hiyo ni makosa kubwa sana kwa sababu huyo Cleophas alichaguliwa na Wajaluo, Wakisii, Wakikuyu, kabila zote zenye ziko Kakamega hii walimchagua. Kwa hivyo akuje aombe msamaha.
Ekero umoyega gose ekero gia Christmas usemega yomutenyu 12 bagenya kaine bune myege menge nige koba na bana abanyaruka nali bagosaro bono nigo mogusi anyareka gosemigwa gotigana nembwe iyo gosara umwana umunyaruka nigo bono asemiwe kubwaterana likeri kubwaterana na barai ao gosaba bwatani ao eri gukora umuchando gosara abana abanyaruka nigo musubati gose umuteneri bwe kyombe gia sikomu ime yagusi ababoririe babwatani bonsi gotiga gose kubwaterana na gukora bobo bogosara umwana umunyaruka onyorobuna county ya Kisii gose orugongo rwa Gusii nigo robwate nigo rogotobekana mono na naru rutangaine gose naru rwa kabere asinzite ya Kenya asogosara umwana umunyaruka.
Marieta Ankoro Kustela Choki ndo muteneneri w'ekyombe gya Sicom Center for Community Mobilization and Empowerment imirimo tokora no kugikeria chiseki chanka amo na mangano yo kwarukia abana chinyaruka asichinga kichiche chisuguku ne chishere yawa nimaite umugusi tuebisire ime tuchake ko ira abana baito asokubaro kibobisi eyinere mamincha yobo ene bwo mwana nyaruka nande nere mamincha yeri chikoria serikali yaito igo rero na ntaite ko boli umugusi ominto ngakamoranche tigatotige umwana ito nyaruka akine munare igo egere nali arache gukina akine karebya atache gutware mechande ndi gochibosio gaiga obugima bwo mwana nyaruka bole delicate igogo ikatomugitere umwana oyo ikarato mugitere chinjere chonsi tomokonye aende skuru bya egere tabase gocha ko twara obugima bokon nonye nase chinyo enyoma yaye amo nonye ne chisegi chanka engakiye igani manyita abantu abange twarageire bya na chisegi chinyinge tokorwana ase chinka chisegi echo ndotagete to siri tomenye no morembe egere no ene environment yo mwana ito ebengia tolengera na kino eno mwana yagocha goche skuru ankyo
ekero ebikoro byo kwerusi obugima bigendete kwenda kiwa imeyense yeito ya Kenya nigo bona abantu babori gukwanira emechandire bagwetera nyuma batare rusi obugima yani gagocha maega y'umwarimu yomo asensemo ya mwingi kwerusi obomoyo asekagire una nelio mana lya nyomba nigaba niboigo nigabanya nyimba bacha kirobotugi iri kwenakia linganelio boigo abarai abali mukuru asenseme yo nigo babori abali mbonzi bali bagwetera amakongo bunayo gukwana nyuma batarayira step yo kwengenta.
Michael Munyasi Erastus, the Executive Secretary Mwingi Nat branch. I have lost a teacher through suicide, which is a case that has greatly affected the teaching fraternity in my branch. And I want to say we've got this kind of work-related pressure and depression that eventually are transferred into family issues. This is a classic case that happened to one of us in this branch. And I'm calling upon the teachers that they must be vigilant, because when they see some slight change of behavior from the teaching fraternity or from their colleagues, they should report to us at the union. We are going to work together with the TSC, our employer, to ensure that these teachers are guided and counseled and given the right direction.
Ametuacha ni ndugu yangu, atoka nitoke. Kifo yake imetokana na amekuwa na mzozo wa kifamilia kwa muda mrefu, na hii ndio tunaona ndio imekuwa ni chance cha kifo chake.
Nyuma bano utaraire gitambukiro kende gionsi gyo kwerucio bogima kiaro bogima rono bakom igokora sangana bamine mechandirio gwetera na bakonyorone kako kosemia na gukorucia birangereri bibe byo kweruci obogima ikaro togosuka bosini go mugwasiri bwegisemi church magwa bono atogiria abalimu abanene beji skuru chiborozo asate bino nigo bagenderete kubekemero bya ni kwena kemena masomo kugendera ji skuru eji ni aya kwana aya asensemo ya coast ekero aikirana umosangano bwa abalimu abanene beji skuru eji chiborozo asate bino serikali nero nigebete ni gegendete kubekemero bya bene rikwena kemena chisemi koima gachire asorongo rwa ase ensito ya Kenya boigo ni gatebiruna ensemeri ya NEMIS ni serikali ya bikire merobero ochukura mechando ya bwaterenti ensemeri ya NEMIS.
During my first year, we had issues with the capture of data into NEMIS. And I came to many of your schools, and you helped me to identify the first problem with NEMIS, and that the problem was not yours. The problem was NEMIS itself. And as a result of that, we have re-engineered NEMIS, and within the next few months, none of you will have any other problem as far as data processing is concerned. This action of yours also has guided us to double-check and get correct data, with the result that all primary schools are now on GIS together with the children, and government can safely say that this is the situation. The second point with regards to 100% transition, where I want to appreciate you, is that you are there and you helped us to identify the children. I went to look for some of the children, especially in the slums, accompanied by some of you. The zeal that I saw in your interest in this matter perhaps told me that I chose the wrong career, and that if I was to be reincarnated, I would not want to be a doctor anymore, even though we teach doctors. But I think the joy is in teaching the younger children. And this is not for granted. I'm not a politician, so I'm telling you the truth. The politician can say anything. The second point that I want you to take home, ladies and gentlemen, I used to hear a lot of rumors that teachers are never in school. When I was appointed by His Excellency the President, one of the things he told me to midwife is the competency-based curriculum. And as my field officer said, oh, everything is okay, I said, no. Performance-based management demands that I go and confirm what is happening in the field. And I think roughly now, after about 2.5 years, I must have visited close to 1,000 primary schools. And what I'm going to tell you, even the newspapers will not report, because they don't report positive things. I have never given an appointment that this morning I'm going to Kanyanyaini Primary School, because then I will see what I found out there. People lined up waiting for me. I sneak to the schools, and I want to confess to you, ladies and gentlemen, that I have never found a classroom, a CBC classroom, grade 1 to 4, without a teacher. I have never found.
Mwanjo muri ayo na kwariganira chinsa 10 korendeke koraga enze yamo no chikumira na Vincent Nyanja iranya kumanyi amange arianyaleka gwateka ime na isiko ya gusigo gwate tariki na Vincent Nyanja karago chiko kachi enze yamo yabana marogoba enje chirisato iranya kumanyi amange kuru asemesa ito ya mangana mayi bana bali kibeto endete kuyasangiri kuru chingongo inye chinsigo twaro marogoba muya nande nyora na chikoraga chinsa 11 chabana marogoba nigochikonyora na apapa antivirus asomoro berwe ngero irinde anyaraga kogotengi kabisa igotosuka gwendera kubati mirobiri tunyura nabo gonda gutubwati Sense Media Facebook ndi Steve News Sense Media YouTube ndi Steve News boigo Sense Media Twitter nabo tweet @ndi Steve News boigo nabo tutumira uchumbe yayinyinge gwetera se namba eyera se screen ya igora bumbiyamano seponsi bari banyara gwikirani mirobiri yechinse chikomi na mo producer ne Petrona Mokeira ase mirobiri anyaraga gotoretera gwetera chibicha chingi yechu kutwara morogomuya tatonyorane ankyo asumoroberio bwenzaki inje amo nasaro ndita buna botambe ndoke Brighton Makoli
Mambia yama tuko wiki gochakira Jumatatu goika Ijuma chinsa 12 cha Mambia goika chinsa isato imeyandize TV
Una botambe to gochakeri iritukuri yao ase ogwansu tumede na manga koraganire kuritukuri goro no tukobogima konde bone Mambia ni goto kwarigania ase morobiri ogwe ensaki umete sara no mete ensaki Enzakia umete na mugasogete umete Mambia ewa no mada na kiti ganda sobje gerogo isiko
nda nyenzaki
na nenzaki umete ne bwate vitamin D
ne bwate
ona intwe manjo muri eri ntura gotika maiga imana ntuno to kwa vitamin D gete
vitamin D
murubiri no yo mubuka ugochakia na kurosa litukuri yao asenjire ndunge kima Enzakia yandize TV asugo kumanya iguru y'amangana siasa aliyatekire obuche